So here we are at Manning Gorge. The children are just about to jump off a ledge with Daniel. Just getting organised now. It's absolutely beautiful. The water is so deep here. But there's a little shallow beach under the waterfall. You can stand up. I think we're just... Connor's a bit cold, I think. Here he goes. And they're going to line up. Come on, Dad! That's so typical. There you go, that's where we are. Manning Gorge. Absolutely beautiful. And here they come. All except for Connor, whom I think is too cold and has to get out.